Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right to the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, you can see yesterday we were trading above the high volume node POC right here of this current range that we are in. We were also trading above the weekly pivot, also above the monthly open level. But as I have told you yesterday in my previous video, Trump was speaking. So in the end of the video, I told you guys that this could very well flip things over. And this is exactly what happened. Price was looking very bullish right here with the point of control reclaim and us trading above the EMAs right here and also above the weekly pivot. But once Trump came out and started speaking, you can see all of the markets started dropping back down. Basically, he was talking about the Middle East conflict and how basically it's not gonna end anytime soon. He said like in about there are peace talks ongoing, but they gave like 2-3 weeks time, so this is not gonna happen immediately. You can see the dollar started pushing higher once again once he started speaking and talking about those things. Basically everything started to drop. The stock market dropped, gold actually dropped. The only thing that pumped up is the dollar and I think oil. Yeah, exactly, oil is trading above $100 for a barrel, approaching this high right here. So it could very well get taken out. But right now for Bitcoin, you can see right here on the daily time frame, we failed to reach the value area high and the monthly pivot. And right now we are going back down to this level of support that we have right here. So this is going to be once again very important level to hold. The previous time when we lost these levels, we were going down to the value area below the value area low and into this order block that we have right here, this fair value gap. So it could very well get tested once again. A move to down there is going to be like 5.5% of a move. So nothing much, but still it could very well happen. And from this high right here down there, that's gonna be like almost 18% of a move. It actually did test its monthly pivot, as you can see, and its value area high, and it did reject quite strongly from here. Basically, since everything started dropping, of course, it would also start to drop. We are right now back into this Monday range and we are approaching the weekly open and Monday low levels. As you can see, if this daily candle confirms below the point of control right here and closes below the weekly pivot, it could very well drop back down to like the value area low. Solana, same thing right here. You can see we did have pretty nice move yesterday, but Solana is rejecting exactly from the point of control level right here of the range, and also the monthly pivot. They acted as a very harsh resistance, as you can see, and we are down like 10%. So pretty big move on Solana. Hype is also dumping. You can see we are actually back below this very important trend line that is basically a resistance into support flip. It was support, it was resistance, and right now when we are back below it, it is gonna act as a resistance again if we start to push higher. If we look at the open interest and VWAP for Bitcoin, you can see as of yesterday, after this move to like 69k, price started to drop. Open interest also started to drop. the delta, the CVD right here, also started to drop, and ever since we lost VWAP yesterday, you can see we started trading below VWAP right here. We tried to get back above it, we failed, and the price is down around 3% from when we lost VWAP. But as you can see, as long as we started to trade above VWAP, the price was moving very nice. For the liquidations, you can see we still have most of the major liquidity stuck to the top side, but price could very well take out the liquidation that are sitting to the downside in the moment. As I have told you, with Trump speaking and the war ongoing, it is basically uncertain what could happen. And right here you can see if you took this position, it did play out pretty nice. From this value area low, you could have been up like 5%, or if you were targeting the monthly pivot, you could have taken out half of your profits at the POC, and then if you could have waited for the monthly pivot, you would not be taking the rest of the profits. You could basically get stopped out back at your entry. But anyways, you can see right here that the measure of liquidity is between 69.3 and 72.3k. So this is the next major area of interest, and also the next major area of interest is of course gonna be at around 65 all the way down to 63k. That's basically the range lows. Fear and Greed index is right now back at 27. Basically nothing new here. You can see it has been sitting like this for quite a while. Spot ETFs, we did get quite a big sell-off from the spot ETFs yesterday, over 170 million. Long versus shorts ratio, we do have, as you can see, more shorts as of right now, 19.24 billion in short positions in the market. On Hyperliquid, you can see the bigger whales, they have flipped into the short, so this is also another bearish signal that we need to watch out for. But also we do have US trade balance and unemployments today, and tomorrow we do have also some important news that are gonna move the market. And I think this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.